there, YouTube land, and welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Here we are again. This is another in the series of Woodworking and Wellbeing. So please like and subscribe. Hit the like and subscribe button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and please like the videos. It's really important that from a channel perspective that people click the like button. So thank you very much. When was the last time you did something for the first time? Just a quick, when was it? When we do something for the first time, we challenge ourselves. And it's easy to just get in a rut, isn't it? Just smooth, it's easy. I'm used to this now, just furrowing on. And it's not that we've got to keep looking for things, have we, to every day. But when we think about well-being, and particularly in the context of what we do in it and how we use well-being within our workshops and our woodworking and all of those things, one of the well-known things about well-being is regularly learning something, bringing something in. Now, it doesn't mean that we're learning something so challenging that it becomes stressful. It's just about regularly having things that we think, oh, that's new. I'm just learning. I'm adding. We know that well-being, we do brain things. We know whether we do them or not. Crosswords, Sudoku, all of those things are really, really good for our well-being. Well, in the workshop, it's good just to challenge ourselves and maybe just step out of our comfort zone every so often. So a little project, and it may be that you're just going to learn to sharpen your chisels and go, okay, I'm going to learn how to do that better. So when was the last time you did something for the first time? And maybe today you're going to just do something that is going to support your well-being, because and when we achieve something new and we learn something, we feel good. I feel good. So today's challenge, this is really short, just challenge yourself to do something for the first time again. And who knows where that will lead. So if you like this content, please share, like and subscribe, as I say, and please share the videos. Let people know that there's this different thing going on about well-being in woodworking. Maybe that's something you can tell your mates or point people to. Certainly it's a passion of mine to be doing well-being, isn't it? So part of what I do. So see you soon. So from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures, take care, everybody. Bye.